Good morning, kindergartners. Today I have a fun story for you called Bear Snores On. The author is Karma Wilson and the illustrator is Jane Chapman. I'm reading with permission of the publisher Macmillan McGraw-Hill. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Can you see him in there? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Look at him sleeping. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. Remember, a hare is another name for a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. That means Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. Get him sleeping. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we could share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake. So here's the pepper, he's seasoning it. A small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Look at their faces, nobody's moving. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls, he snarls, bear roars and rumbles, bear jumps and stomps, bear growls and grumbles. Uh-oh, look at all the animals, they're running away. "You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." He whimpers and moans, he wails and he groans, and bear blubbers on. That means he's crying really hard. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. I think you can find that one on Bookflix too if you want to hear it again. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.